Oh shoot, I think I just broke everything.
He just broke everything, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' Frenzy.
If you don't know whose phone this is, it's mine.
Today we are going to replace our porch light.
That one. Whoa.
I have never even tried to open it.
So we don't know how to open it.
I actually did try to open it a couple of days ago and I was like, oh my god, this is so easy.
Oh, you opened it before?
I gotta hide my house number. Okay, so all I had to do was lift this thing up. Okay, lefty loosey.
I'll put a song on my phone.
Okay. My god, it's so dirty in there.
I thought we were going to the hardware store, but we're going to Giant.
I think they have these at
across
Giant.
the street.
It is.
All the way over there. Hi, Eden.
Eli made me walk to Giant.
I just don't care. I just don't care.
They have this whole aisle of light bulbs and they don't have the one we need.
We couldn't find the light bulb, so we have to go to the hardware store close to our house.
Okay.
A dog.
So it's a different day. This is the light bulb we bought. Eli already threw away the cover, so I don't even know what it said. But I went to the hardware store and I asked for a porch light. And this is what they gave me. So we're gonna go put it on. Peekaboo. Aww. Hopefully you can see that.
My feet wet, Mom.
Your feet are gonna get cold. Ooh, there is light. And then we're just gonna put the top back on. And now I have light. Yay! Does anyone else have a yellow light? That's a yellow light. Okay. So that was it. I just had to take out the light bulb and try to find a matching one, which I couldn't find, so I just found a different one that was good for a porch. It might be helpful also for you to take a picture if you have a cover on your porch light. That way, if you can't find the exact match, at least you can get another one that'll fit in your thingy. Bye!
Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. 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 Smash that like button, hit that subscribe.